So it is ready. Here, and our rice and pea. In a pressure cooker, my red beans or kidney beans has already been soaked. I am putting it to some water. I'm adding some salt to it, and then I'm adding some oil. Then I'm going to cover my pressure cooker and let it boil for at least 30 minutes. So right now my red beans is ready. I'm going to add some water to it and then add all my seasoning. Now I'll be adding all my seasoning. I'm going to be adding my onion right now, then my carrots, some pepper, some thyme, my garlic, pumpkin, I'm adding some curry powder, and next I'll be adding some thyme. I prefer the fresh thyme, but I only have dry, so I'm going to be using my dry thyme. I love using lemon pepper, so I'm going to be sprinkling some, one of my favorite seasonings. And then I'm going to add half a can of coconut milk. You can use any type of coconut milk that you prefer. I'm using the cool running coconut milk in my red beans. I don't know if you guys know, but growing up as a child in the Caribbean, red beans is a Sunday dish. I must cook red beans even now. My husband loves red beans, so every Sunday I must prepare red beans. So I'm stirring this up. I'm going to let it boil for at least 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add my rice. Enjoy! After 15 minutes, I'm going to add my rice. This rice has been washed, so it is ready to be poured in our red beans. And then I stir it and let it boil for at least 15 minutes or until it is cooked and ready to go. Look at how beautiful this looks. Very beautiful. Here, and our rice and peas is ready, and this is exactly how we love to eat our rice and peas. Not too dry and not too watery. That's exactly how we love it. Everybody does their rice differently, but that's how we love to do our rice and peas.